Hello everybody, welcome to Easy and Simple Cooking. My name is Suresh. Today I'm going to share a very simple prawn pepper masala recipe that comes from the south of India. Prawn pepper masala originated in the coastal regions of the Indian subcontinent. The coastal regions are abundant of coconut, and hence most of these dishes are made with either coconut milk or coconut paste. But today we will be making a dish that's without coconut, and this dish is going to have very simple ingredient and is quick to make. Okay, so time to get started. Let's heat a pan and pour 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add half an inch of cinnamon stick, 3 pieces of cloves, 2 pieces of crushed cardamom, and 2 small bay leaves. Now add the sliced onions and saute till the onions are translucent. You can now add the required salt into the onion, as salt normally helps the onions to cook much faster. Add 1 spoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 pieces of slit green chili, add the chopped tomatoes, add curry leaves, add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I had forgotten to do this once the onions were frying. You should normally put the ginger garlic along with the onions when they are frying. Now it's time to add 3 teaspoons of freshly crushed black pepper, because fresh crushed black pepper would give you a better aroma and will really enhance the taste of the dish. Add half a cup of water and let the onions and tomatoes cook well until they are very soft and mushy and form a nice thick gravy. Okay, now it's time to add the prawns. Make sure the prawns are washed well and they are devined. Devining means there is, when you cut the back of the prawn, you would see a black string which should be definitely removed, otherwise it makes the curry a little bitter. Once the prawns are added to the gravy, cook it from 5 to 8 minutes at the most, or not exceeding 8 minutes, as overcooking the prawns would make them rubbery. Now your prawn masala is ready, and you can serve the prawn masala either with rice or with any kind of an Indian bread. That could be chapati, paratha, or naan. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like our video, please do press the bell icon below to receive notifications on our future videos. Your suggestions and comments are very important to us to improve our future videos. So please do share your views and concerns and help us to improve. Thank you so much, and we'll be back next week with another exciting and simple recipe that you could cook for yourself.